Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video we'll look at how we can install Google Chrome on Windows 10 PC. This is a new install of Windows 10, and as you can see we only have Edge, Microsoft Edge. If we try to search for Google Chrome, there's nothing. Now to install it, we'll need to use Microsoft Edge. So just open Microsoft Edge, and then we'll need to search for Google Chrome download. So do Google Chrome download. Then go to the link that takes us to google.com, and here you'll be presented with an option to download Chrome. Just click on download Chrome, and it's a quick download. It's already done. Now open your File Explorer and go to your downloads, and you should see this file, Chrome Setup. Double click on it to run it. Click yes, and the installation should begin. And it's done. There you have Google Chrome. You can sign in and begin to use the web browser. So that's all for this video. I hope this has been helpful. I'll catch you in my next video. Thanks. Bye.